All of us in the world, I said, for a second, forget about electrical, just for a second, I want to teach you something. All of us in the world are chasing three main things. If you see people hustling, jumping, some are going to this, some are going to that. They are chasing money, love, health. These are the three things people are chasing. Okay? So let's talk about money. Now I'm linking this to what you are doing here. So you better pay attention to it. Money, some people already have it. Because their parents or where they come from, they got it. Do you get it? But most people don't. Okay? Now, there are many ways of getting money. There are three major ways of getting money. Three major ways. What did I say? Okay. Way one is to invent something. We invent something. I will invent blade. And I feel okay. Because I invented the blade and I can solve his problem of trimming his hair. So I've invented that thing. So I'll be making money from it. Do you get it? What you say? Okay. Number two, if you can't invent, you invest. So somebody has been able to invent something. That is, before you invent something, that if it's not solving a problem for people, you are not going to make money out of it. Like, do you understand it? Are you sure? Okay. Now, if you can't invent anything, invest in what has been invented. So you can decide, okay, somebody are feeling a blade in a year example. You can decide, okay, fine. What I'm going to do now is that I'm going to invest into the affair and then the blade. So I'll become a distributor, I'll put more money into it. So you'll be making money from that invest. Now, if you cannot do the three major ways, the last one by which you can make money is to provide service. Service. Can't use belly. Service. So 1, 2, 3. These are the three ways. What brought me here? The reason I'm teaching you this is because I took you people to science, and then I took my time to explain things to you, and I got here.